Hi, welcome to JeremyLDavis.com, where developing effective blue-collar leaders is our passion. I am Jeremy Davis, and today I am going to share the most effective way to train your leaders. I know that sounds like a bold claim, but stick with me. I promise you that it is the best way. Now, in today's fast-paced business environment, blue-collar leaders must continually evolve to meet new challenges. So I love to use micro trainings. Micro trainings are short, focused learning sessions, and they are emerging as a powerful tool for leadership developments in industries like manufacturing, steel, construction, logistics, just name a few. These quick hit lessons deliver essential knowledge and skills without disrupting daily operation. But there's a lot of things that make them so crucial and so effective. So today we're going to look at what makes them so crucial for blue collar leaders. Now let's just explore their value. Number one, you have efficiency in learning. Now, time is a critical resource in blue collar industries. Managers and supervisors are often juggling multiple tasks from overseeing production to resolving team issues. Traditional training sessions, which can span hours, even days, are impractical for such roles. Micro trainings, however, allow leaders to access vital information in bite sized chunks, often lasting 10, 15, at most 20 minutes, and this enables them to learn on the go, applying new knowledge almost immediately. And number two, it also allows the focus on core skills. Blue collar leaders need targeted skills that improve team performance, safety, and operation efficiency. Micro trainings are designed to address these core competencies directly, whether it's improving communication, boosting emotional intelligence, or sharpening decision making abilities. By honing in on these critical areas, micro trainings ensure that leaders are gaining the skills they need to succeed without the distractions of less relevant content. Now, stick with me because the very best one is the last one, and I'm going to get to it momentarily. But number three, enhanced retention of knowledge. Studies show that learners retain information better when it is delivered in shorter, more focused sessions. This is particularly important for blue collar leaders who are constantly moving between tasks. Now, with micro trainings, they can digest key concepts without becoming overwhelmed, leading to better long term retention of leadership strategies and techniques. Number four, adaptability to evolving challenges. That is a constant in blue collar environments. The blue collar workforce is no stranger to change, whether it's new regulations, evolving technologies, or shifting market demands. Micro trainings allow leaders to stay agile, continually updating their skills as new challenges emerge. These quick, on demand sessions can be customized to address current industry trends, giving leaders flexibility to adapt and thrive in dynamic work environments. Additionally, number five, this is a cost-effective development strategy. See, training budgets can be tight, even though they are critical. So in industries where every dollar counts, micro trainings are a cost-effective, highly effective solution, offering high-impact development without the hefty price tag of full-day seminars or extensive workshops. They're easy to implement and can be delivered through a variety of platforms from mobile apps to online portals. And this accessibility makes leadership development more scalable and sustainable for blue collar organizations. And this is my favorite, okay? This is my favorite reason for these to be so effective. It creates universal messaging. By having the same micro training going to all managers and supervisors at the same time on the same day, the messaging remains consistent, unlike long meetings or corporate trainings. Having universal messaging is great for your organization because it minimizes confusion and conflict compared to other training methods. The universal messaging is critical for the success of any training. That is one reason this is so successful. So, in conclusion, for blue collar leaders, micro trainings provide a practical, flexible, and cost effective way to enhance the leadership capabilities by focusing on key skills and delivering content in short, digestible formats. Micro trainings, ensure that leaders stay sharp, adaptable, and ready to face new challenges that evolve every day in blue collar environments. As businesses continue to push for more agile leadership models, micro trainings will play a critical role in driving success at every level. To learn more about leadership development in your blue collar industry, visit jeremyldavis.com or feel free to reach out to me on whatever platform you are watching this. I look forward to connecting with you and helping you and your leaders thrive.